Hi everyone. In this video, I will go to explain some important results of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. First one, for any square matrix A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. First, I will explain how A plus A transpose is symmetric. Proof. Let A be any square matrix. Any square matrix. Square matrix because symmetric and skew symmetric matrix is applicable only for square matrix. So let A be any square matrix. To show A plus A transpose is symmetric, take it as C is equal to A plus A transpose. To show A plus A transpose is symmetric, we have to show C is equal to C transpose. That is a condition. When C is equal to C transpose, then that matrix, square matrix, is a symmetric matrix. To show C is equal to C transpose, take a transpose of this matrix. C transpose is equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. Take a transpose on both the side. Then A plus A transpose whole transpose. There is one result. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is one of the property of transpose of a matrix. This property apply here. A plus A transpose whole transpose is A transpose plus transpose of this matrix. That is A transpose whole transpose, which is equal to A transpose plus, there is another property, A transpose whole transpose equal to A. These concepts are explained in my last video. So A transpose whole transpose is A. See, A transpose plus A, here A plus A transpose. A plus B is same as B plus A, which is equal to C. Therefore, C transpose is equal to C, or C is equal to C transpose. Therefore, this condition is satisfied. Therefore, A plus A transpose is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric. Now, to prove A minus A transpose is skew symmetric, we have to prove what is the condition of skew symmetric. D is equal to, D is any square matrix, D is equal to minus D transpose, or D transpose is equal to minus D. Both are same. D transpose is equal to minus D. See, take matrix D is equal to A minus A transpose. Take a transpose on both sides. A minus A transpose whole transpose. That is A minus B whole transpose. Since A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So here A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, which is equal to A transpose minus, here A transpose whole transpose is one of the property of transpose of a matrix, that is matrix A. So here A transpose whole transpose is A. To prove D transpose is equal to minus D, here minus sign, take it out, then the remaining is A minus A transpose, which is equal to minus A minus A transpose is our matrix D. when D transpose is equal to minus D, we can say that therefore D is skew symmetric. D is skew symmetric because it satisfies the symmetric definitions. Therefore, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. This is one of the important results of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Next result, if A is any square matrix, then A into A transpose and A transpose into A is a symmetric matrices. To prove this, consider A is any square matrix. Any square matrix. Let take matrix P equal to A into A transpose. To show A into A transpose is symmetric, we have to show P is equal to P transpose or P transpose is equal to P. When you show P is equal to P transpose, then that matrix P is a symmetric matrix. See, take a transpose, P transpose on both the side, A into A transpose whole transpose, which is equal to A into B, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is a property of transpose of a matrix. So here A into A transpose whole transpose is A transpose whole transpose into A transpose, which is equal to, and there is another property, A transpose whole transpose equal to matrix A. So A transpose whole transpose is A into A transpose, which is equal to A into A transpose. A into A transpose is our P. Therefore, P is equal to, or P transpose is equal to P, which shows that P means A into A transpose is symmetric matrix. A into A transpose is symmetric matrix. Next, to prove A transpose into A, consider or let Q is equal to A transpose into A. Proof is similar to this one. Take a transpose on both sides, A transpose into A whole transpose, which is equal to, since AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, apply this property here, that is A transpose or A whole transpose into A transpose whole transpose, which is equal to A transpose whole transpose is A, since A transpose whole transpose equal to A, which is equal to A transpose into A is our Q. Q transpose equal to Q. Therefore, A into or A transpose into A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Next result, if A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then first one is AB plus BA is symmetric matrix, and second one is AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. To prove this, from the given data says A and B are symmetric matrices. A and B are symmetric matrices. Given A and B, matrix A and B are symmetric. According to the definition of symmetric matrices, A and B are symmetric means A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. To prove first one, let us consider matrix C is equal to AB plus BA. We have to show AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. To prove this, take a transpose on both sides of this one. That is, we know that A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Apply this property here. AB whole transpose plus BA whole transpose. We know that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is another property of transpose of a matrix. So here B transpose into A transpose plus A transpose into B transpose, which is equal to, here addition of two matrices are commute each other. Therefore, I can write A transpose plus into B transpose plus B transpose into A transpose. Which is equal to, since A and B are symmetric, A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B, plus B transpose is equal to B, A transpose is A. Since A and B are symmetric matrices, A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B, which is same as our C. C transpose equal to C. Therefore, AB plus BA is symmetric matrix. To prove AB minus BA is skew symmetric, let us consider matrix D is equal to AB minus BA. To prove AB minus BA or matrix D is skew symmetric, we have to prove D transpose is equal to minus D. So take a transpose of this matrix. D transpose is equal to AB minus BA whole transpose. We know that A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Apply this here. AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. And AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So this one is B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. Given that A and B are symmetric matrix, A and B are symmetric matrix, that is A transpose equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. So this B transpose is B, A transpose becomes A minus A into B. Now take a minus 1 as a common, then AB minus BA, which is equal to minus AB minus BA is our D. D transpose equal to minus D. D transpose is equal to minus D. Therefore, D is skew symmetric matrix. That is AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Next result, if A and B are the symmetric matrices of same order, then AB is symmetric. If and only if A and B commutes. A and B commutes means AB equal to BA. Proof is like this. Given that A and B are symmetric matrix. A and B are symmetric matrix. Since A and B are symmetric matrices, according to the definition of symmetric, A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B, according to the definition of symmetric of matrices. Let AB is symmetric. Consider first part. Let AB is symmetric. We have to show A and B commutes. Means we have to show AB equal to BA. Let AB is symmetric means, which implies, according to the definition, AB transpose equal to A into B. According to the property of transpose, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose, which is equal to AB. Now A and B are symmetric matrices. So B transpose is B, A transpose equal to A, which is equal to AB. Therefore AB equal to BA. AB equal to BA. Therefore A and B commutes. A and B commutes. Conversely, consider AB, A and B commutes. Conversely, let us consider A and B commutes, which implies AB equal to BA. We shall prove AB is symmetric matrix. A into B is symmetric. Symmetric means we have to prove AB whole transpose is equal to AB. So AB whole transpose equal to, we have to prove AB whole transpose is equal to A into B. According to the property, AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Since AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose, which is equal to, since A and B are symmetric matrices, B transpose equal to B, A transpose is equal to A. Since A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B, which is equal to, given that we consider A and B are commutes each other, so AB equal to BA. So BA equal to AB. Therefore AB whole transpose equal to AB, which means therefore AB is symmetric matrix. AB is symmetric matrix.